Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy tummy brownies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. Don't forget 2 large eggs and a touch of vanilla extract for that perfect aroma. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. Gently melt your 1/2 cup of butter with 1 cup of sugar. Once combined, remove from heat and whisk in your 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Then, fold in your dry ingredients. Pour the batter into a prepared 9 by 9 inch pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. The secret to truly yummy brownies lies in their texture. Be careful not to overmix your batter. Just combine the wet and dry ingredients until no streaks of flour remain. Overmixing can lead to tough brownies. Also, avoid overbaking. Pull them out when a toothpick inserted near the edge comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. This ensures a fudgy center. Once your brownies are out of the oven, the hardest part is waiting. Let them cool completely, ideally for at least 2 hours before slicing. This helps them set and gives you clean, perfect squares. A light dusting of powdered sugar adds a lovely touch. For more great tips and deals, including that fantastic sock link, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade yummy tummy brownies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.